el cosa kami prinsipya necesitay continua para asita mengwa gayot el diaton mga malnutrition akina diaton barangay. Kontra kami akelya micronutrients powder, no, amokal ka namon chenetamin niya rekomenda para usa para kunal diaton mga bata. So ya through BNC ya asi kita no el esfuerzo junto con el diaton barangay council ya sa busca kita pondo para dal diaton busca kita con ese onde sakap no. Yang kwento también kita con el BCPC chairman para man-provide ele poco sen or cash no para pwede kita kumpra con ese gani micronutrients powder.
I am Kagawa Jobert Bello. No? I am the BCPC focal person. So, talking about last year activity, so since every year we used to allocate budget for BCPC, and that is 1% for the budget. And during that time, as I remember, we really allocated budget for like feeding program, and I believe with that kind of activity, it will be of great help to the malnourished children in our community, in our barangay Kapaluway.
Buenas tardes din. Actualmente, del last year, ya sabi kita na del Committee on Health gani, mayor parte, hindi kita mga malnourished kids. Kaya sali gani underweight, undersize sila na grandor. Mayor parte kato sali alya na sitio Islamia.
A year ago, in Barangay Kabaluway, 15 of those futures were at risk. 15 children under our care were slipping into the shadows of malnutrition, quietly battling micronutrient deficiencies that slowed their growth and dimmed their energy.
Hi, I'm Berna Alagasi, Barangay Midwife of Barangay Kabaluway. And as a midwife, I know every mother and every child here. A year ago, I was deeply worried. We had children of our very own beneficiaries. We are falling behind. They were sluggish, frequently sick, and severely underweight. It was clear micronutrient deficiency was quietly holding them back.
As BNSer of Kabaluway, kami aldiamon regular, quarterly, quarter EOPT. So, alin na diamon quarterly OPT, kami na todo purok. So, every purok, kami with WHW, syempre talitamin sige diamon midwife and some of the members of BNC, pwede kami man-weigh and height kung mga bata na inkunta kami mga malnourished children at mga stunted and diamon mga ma'am.
So, iyo si Eric Bangkal, nutritionist dietitian 2 del City Health Office from the Nutrition Division. I'm handling East Coast District. So, I'm thankful and grateful that of all the barangays of the East Coast District, the Barangay Kabaluway really follow the what is due for health and nutrition.
So, kasi niniwala tayo mga bata if they are malnourished, so definitely kahit anong focus pa sa school, so definitely hindi ma-absorb agad yung mga lesson na tinuturuan ng teachers, not unless they are physically fit. So, just mentally fit, so definitely ito mga bata na sinasabi natin mga 13 na nasa statistics, so kawawa naman. I don't think so they can have a good future if hindi natin po i-correct. So with the help of that product, so yung naging 50 na yun, so at least 30 na naging okay. So not bad. At least starting now, since nalaman namin na kung gaano ka-effective yung product, yung micronutrients na product. So hindi na kami nagdadalawang isip na at least every year continue na yun until na ma-zero in namin yung problem na ito sa community namin.
So na meeting yaton del DNS, asa kami sa resolusyon para pwede kita naka-budget na DCPC kay para po ni gani ali health para pwede kita kumpra mga micronutrients para asi kita feeding kunay sa mga bata. Diara, este año ya discovery kita ya menora gayot. Almost 100% el mga bata ya queda gayot normal. Ya di ila pesadez y el grandor di ila.
So dalik yan, introduce ka namon el micronutrient powder. Then, here comes micronutrient powder. Siyempre, chenebe sir, kasi el akin na di amon barangay, mga nana kasi, hindi sila todo abla. Aware ka sila sir about MNP. Kasi maski ninyo as BNS, first time iyo ya uwi. Kasi what is micronutrient powder? So, el mga parents kasi, syempre, doubt sila. So, kasi kami si pasa sir na BNC di amon, and then, dali ka namon, gisuyo, gayot, sample. So, kasi kami din, yaman na kami pruba kung yung mga bata. So, only to find out na may gali-gali, tasteless gali-le. May le, pero ben man na dali vitamin tan content na un sachet. So, dali yo sir kung mga nana, dali kami instruction, taan dayo sir, man house to house, taas yo gat yo dada instruction, kilaya po ni na kanon, miskla, or na nalugaw, everyday sila tadali, especially din yung mga na area on the manada malnourished. So, tine mga nana, syempre, tapring tagat sir. Kung sa bagay si taliba to, hindi ba si dilikaw, baka duwele balika di amon anak, ansina. Siyempre, takonsas tayo kanila, sir. Pero bagay ito kasi manada sila vitamin, hindi si makamito, may side effect. Maski na agwa, pwede ustedes po ni. So then, yapon sila, yakre sila, sir, kumigo. After weeks, daya tamin yung bisita. So, sila, sir, kumuyatin niya sila kumpiyansa ko nil, micronutrient powder, kay tamira sila, diferensya, na di ila anak, kung gana daw kami, kabar kere-kere sila tumaagwa, sina din, hanggang bireta niya ulit another month, the same month, tamin sila tablet, sila ya kumigot asi ako, ma'am, kukuya lang di amon micronutrient powder, uminta tamin too. Kasi sir, yamira sila, difference del micronutrient powder na, aside kasi na feeding, kadali kanila, yamira tamin gat sila, impact del micronutrient powder.
When they came back to the health center for their regular checkups, the weighing scale told me a story of triumph. One by one, our beneficiaries started hitting their target's weights. Their growth charts were no longer dipping, they were climbing.
And of course, as a midwife, this experience taught me that with the right intervention, a lot of dedication, and a trust of the community, we can change the course of a child's life, one small packet at a time.
We are thankful also and grateful because the technical assistance that we made from the nutrition division, from the City Health Office of Zamboanga City, na Dr. Dulce Mirabite really take the chance for us to have this technical assistance through our Nutrition Officer 3, si Ma'am Jocelyn Saavedra. Of course, with our very own active and supportive City Mayor of Zamboanga City. This is no other than our Mayor, Himer Adan Olaso.